Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make tamarind rice. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cups of hot water, half a teaspoon of Asafoetida or Hing, 2 sprigs of curry leaves, half a teaspoon each of cumin and mustard seeds, 2 large dry chilies which I have broken in half, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 lemon-sized tamarind ball which is 50 grams, salt to taste, 4 cloves of garlic which I have thinly sliced, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or methi, 1 cup of basmati rice which I have cooked. You can use any rice of your choice, and 4 teaspoons of ghee. Take a big dish, add tamarind and hot water. Use a spoon to roughly break the tamarind into pieces and let it soak for 20 minutes. Place a small fry pan on low heat, add fenugreek seeds and roast it for 2 minutes, stirring it continuously. Turn the heat off, transfer it into a dish and let it cool down. Use a grinder or a mortar and pestle and grind it into a powder. Transfer it into a dish and put it aside. After 20 minutes, squeeze the tamarind and water together to get as much pulp as possible. Strain the tamarind water using a strainer. Use the back of a spoon to push the pulp through. Add turmeric and 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and taste your salt. Add salt according to your taste. It needs a little bit more salt, so I'm going to add extra half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and put it aside. Place a pot on low heat, add oil and heat it. Add cumin and mustard seeds, give it a mix and cook it until it starts to pop. Add garlic and chilies. Cook it until the garlic gets a light brown color, stirring it continuously. Add curry leaves and half a teaspoon of asafoetida or hing. Give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Mix the tamarind water again and add it to the pot. Increase the heat to medium and cook it until the mixture becomes thick, stirring it frequently. Add fenugreek powder and give it a mix. My tamarind sauce is ready. Turn the heat off and transfer it into a dish. Add 4 tablespoons of the tamarind sauce to the cooked rice and mix it well to combine. You can increase or decrease the amount of tamarind sauce according to your taste. Add 4 teaspoons of ghee to the tamarind rice and mix it well. My tamarind rice is ready and you can make it and serve it to family and friends on its own or with some papadum, fried buttermilk chilies and any pickle of your choice. Leftover tamarind rice can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. You can warm it up when needed. You can also store the tamarind sauce in a sealed container in the fridge for weeks. Whenever you want to eat the tamarind rice, just get the sauce out of the fridge and you can mix it with some hot rice or any leftover rice with some ghee drizzled on the top. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.